Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title, Building an Auto Python Code Generator, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Auto code generation is a powerful technique that can save developers time and reduce the chances of errors. In this tutorial, we will explore how to create a simple Python code generator that automates the process of generating code snippets based on user input or predefined templates. Prerequisites. Step 1. Setting up the project. Create a new directory for your project and navigate to it in your terminal. Step 2. Creating the generator class. Create a Python script, example code_generator.py, and define a class named CodeGenerator. Step 3. Adding user input. Enhance the generate_code method to accept user input or parameters that will determine the code to be generated. Step 4. Using templates. Modify the generate_code method to use templates for generating code snippets. Templates make it easier to manage and modify the generated code structure. Step 5. Testing the code generator. Create a separate script, example main.py, to test the code generator. Run the main.py script to test your code generator. Enter a variable name and data type when prompted, and observe the generated code. Conclusion. You've now built a basic auto Python code generator that can be expanded to handle more complex code structures and templates. This tutorial provides a starting point, and you can customize and extend the code generator based on your specific needs. ChatGPT.